In this video from Sharp Help, we're going to cover the factory reset or machine initialization procedure for the Sharp XEA303 register. So I'm in the UK, the model here is the XEA303, but this procedure will also work on overseas models such as the XEA406 and the 40S. So the process is to make sure the machine is disconnected from the mains, to turn the manager or MA key round to the PGM position, then press and hold down journal and CL, and then connect the machine to the mains, release journal and CL, the machine will display MRS, it'll beep 3 times, and that is the reset procedure done. So you'll see the key in the mode on the display, PGM mode 0.00. You can turn the key back round to the registration or register mode. You can prove to yourself that the machine has reset either by entering a quick sale, and you'll see that the default receipt header message has come back on. So your receipt, thank you. The date and time will also have been reset, so mine's gone back to the 1st of January 2000. You can also run an X or Z report, and all the sales figures will be at 0 apart from the £1 I've just rung through. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA303 and other Sharp registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.